Muling sumiklab ang tensyon sa pagitan ng homeowners at security ng clubhouse ng multinational. Kita sa video na tinutulak papalabas ng clubhouse ang mga homeowners ng multinational. Si Alexander Alex Tan ay isang direktor ng multinational village sa kampo ni Julio Tento Nuevo. Siya ang halos persahang tinutulak ng 1 hanggang 3 security, dinuduro at inaambahan. Pinagbawalan ng mga mismong homeowners ng multinational na makapasok sa clubhouse, kahit na ihain ang RIT sa kampo ni Gakutan. Nakatakdang ihain ng RIT kay Gakutan, pero wala si Gakutan sa clubhouse ng multinational, kung kaya't binasa ng sheriff ang letter of RIT sa attorney ni Gakutan na si Attorney Balubar.
Ito po yung nakasaad sa RIT. Ito po yung nakasaad. To allow the complainants or their duly authorized representatives to inspect book, record, and other financial documents of the association during the regular office hours of the association at each office within 15 days from the receipt of this decision.
At the office?
15 days. 15 days.
Within?
15 days.
Starting from today. So,
okay.
Ito yung office, tama?
Yes.
Sige, pasahin nyo lang, siya.
All costs pertaining to the production of book and records and the cost of copying, as well as the professional fees of the external independent auditor, if there is any, shall be charged to the complainant.
Yes, okay. So, we have 15 days to submit doon sa inspection of books.
Ito ulit. By quote lang to, kung ano yung nasa RIT, binabasa ko na lang. Then, to pay 5,000 each administrative fine for the violation of Republic Act number 9904. Dun sa mga respondents.
Yes, opo, no problem.
Then further, respondents are hereby declared as perpetually disqualified from holding any position, whether appointive or elective in the board of directors of officer or employment within the MBHAI period. Yun lang.
Okay po. Sige. So, what?
Mahinahon na binasa ni Ronald B. Gabayan na siyang sheriff na nagdala ng letter of RIT. Malinaw nakasaad sa RIT. Sinabi sa RIT ay perpetually disqualified. Bukod dito, may multang 5,000 kapag napatunayan na may nilabag. Ngunit nang matapos, hindi pumayag ang kampo ni Gakutan na ma-open ang record book ng homeowners na isa sa granted ng RIT.
Then further, respondents are hereby declared as perpetually disqualified from holding any position of the complainants or their duly authorized representatives to inspect book.
Okay. Kung gusto po ninyo mag-inspect ng boards, dahil inspect ng records, nakalagay naman po kung anong requirement. Nakalagay po sa requirement. Ano po na nakalagay dito? Alam, Pops, as you may deem reasonable and necessary to satisfy your lawful fees in service of the execution.
Naman na patasimple lang po, sir. Yung ang isa-side ko po is
yes,
gusto lang po.
Kung gusto niyo, sir.
Kung kaya't isa ito sa inapila ng kampo ni Templo Nuevo. Ayon kay Attorney Bradley Litones, kahit alam na may pending case, kailangan nila mag-appeal with 15 days ayon sa RIT na inihain.
Kung ano yung nasa RIT,
Dalawang tao. May board.
Wala na sila, tatanggalin
Yung presidente wala na.
May pending case pa po.
Stock is executory, immediately executory, pending appeal. So if they have an appeal, this RIT is executory, pending appeal. So kung gusto nila mag-appeal, bahala sila mag-appeal, pero kailangan mo na nila sundin yung order ng H-Act ngayon.
Nagsanib pwersa ang homeowners at madre sa harap ng clubhouse. Ang madre ay nananalangin habang ang mga homeowners ay bit-bit ang tarpaulin na may nakasulat na PDQ with penalty expelled by homeowners na making ng bylaws, alis dyan, Gakutan.
matagal nang disqualified siya, so how could he still be there? And then, if you look at the functions of HSAC and DHSUD, DHSUD is just regulatory. It's not like EDSAC. EDSAC is, what do you call this? It is quasi-judicial. And it should be the one who should make a decision as to whether we stay there or not, depending on what the law says. So the law is on our side. That is what we're fighting for. The law has been on our side many years ago. Until now, it still says na kami pa rin. Si Mr. Templego pa rin ang rightful president and his board. But the thing is, pag hindi ka nagbabayad sa kanya, puputulan ka. Among others, siguro hindi ako 20. Even yung mga madre. I think you've seen the video. Pinutol din kasi, they feel that they are not the rightful people to be there. It's actually yung doon kay Mr. Templego.
Pero ma'am, nung nagbabayad po kayo kay...
Dahil sa hindi maawat ng bangayan ng magkabilang kampo, dito na pumasok ang pulis.
Huwag mo kami pumasok. Bakit ang mga security naka-face mask? Ano yung mga hold-upper?
Walang pangalan mga polis.
Kami,
tatlong polis siya, walang pangalan. Siya lang may pangalan. Apat pa pala.
huwag mo kaming harangang makapasok sa clubhouse namin. And we have orders. We have proper orders from EDSA. Immediately executory.
Basta sir, lagi ko pong sinasabi, police presence lang kami.
Tama.
Para walang gulo sir ha.
Tama. Pero wag mo kaming harangang makapasok. Dahil responsibilidad.
Papasok kayo. What will you expect after?
Depende sa kanila. We are peaceful.
Sir, ano bang po ni Sir Alex yan,
Walang
sir?
pangalan ng mga polis.
Na ako sir, nandito.
Miss, yan ako yung balak magtarantado. Dapat kasi sa batas, kung pupunta kayo sa rally, may pangalan ng mga polis. Ay nakatanggal. At least, meron kayo kitataduan na gagawin. Sir, ano? Hindi mo yan?
Sir, makakasuha ba kami trespassing sa loob?
Sir, lagi kong inuulit sa inyo sir, I'm just following orders.
Ano bang order sa'yo?
Instruction sa akin sir.
Anong
Maintain
orders?
peace and order dito sir.
Oo, yun lang pala eh.
So sir, as to the legality, whether or not sino ang authorized pumasok sir, hindi
Sir, may order.
ng kwan ko sir, ang determination niyan.
May order.
Andito lang kami sir, para walang gulo, okay?
Sir, may order.
Na nagbabayad ng gusto.
Nagbabalita, Alfredo Patriarca para sa Road News.